And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a Polaroid collage effect in Adobe Photoshop. What we need is an image for the background and one for the Polaroids. So I'll pick this one, the green one, for the background. You will find both images via the description link below. So let me delete the white background, I don't need it. On top of the green image, which is supposed to be our background, I want to create a rectangle. Make sure shape is selected, the fill color doesn't matter, but we want to have a white stroke color. Don't worry about the size for now. I'll hold Alt when I drag that. And now you can see the size for the stroke was too big. So go to your properties menu, you'll find that under Windows if you can't see it. And then go down, maybe to 10 pixels. You can press Ctrl T and resize it. You can use Smooth tool and move it around. Make sure that the first rectangle is what you want, because we want to copy that afterwards, and we want to create clipping masks. Let me clip this image and you can see that we've still got the frame, so this is exactly what we want. The fill color has vanished. Let me release the clip, and now I'll drag copies out of the rectangle. Make sure that the layer for that is activated, and then you just have to use the Move tool by holding Alt, and you can create copies that way easily. So that's fine. I'll select them all. So I hold Shift and click on the top and the last layer, then I press Ctrl G to group them. If I now create a clipping mask for the image, you can see that our frame has vanished. So this is not the way to do it, so let me release the clipping mask once more. Instead we want to create copies out of that and then create clipping masks for them within this group. And an easy way to do that is to just go to your layer menu, then hold Alt and drag copies out of this image layer and put them directly on top of each rectangle. And when you've done that for each, just right click and create clipping mask for each image. When you've arrived at the last one, you will see the effect in its full beauty. You can add some details here, for example move it around with the Move tool, but pressing Ctrl G and rotating it slightly adds to the illusion. So you don't want to have them all perfectly aligned, they should all be slightly rotated. So always press Ctrl T and then go to a corner of the selection and then drag it to rotate it slightly. Another effect that you can add is a drop shadow. Just go to the lowest rectangle, then right click blending options. Obviously for the first one you won't see it as it's so far in the background. Once you've done that, just right click on the layer, copy the layer style and then right click on the next one and paste it. And this is how you can recreate this Polaroid collage effect in Adobe Photoshop. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.